If you aren't bored yet with these little videos on how grammar might help you transcribe and thus learn a foreign language by short dictation exercises, here's another video. Let's listen.
Die Sommerferien beginnen dieses Jahr schon im Juni.
The summer holidays start in June this year.
Die Sommerferien beginnen dieses Jahr schon im Juni.
Suppose you weren't sure whether the speaker had said in or im. In a lot of cases, the sound is very close. And if, like me, your ears aren't that sharp, you might be unsure. So grammar can come to the rescue. Months are always definite in the sense that they take the definite article or are invoked in some kind of definite mode. What does that mean? Im is a contraction of in name. Correct me in the comments down below if I'm wrong to disabuse me of that mistake. So you always need Im Juni, Im Juli, and so weiter with the months in German. This is just one case where you can use thinking to distinguish between two words that are very similar, but the sounds, two words that are similar and have similar sounds. So say you heard in or im, you weren't sure, you can use thinking to perfect your capture of the sound. This is a review of a session, I guess a Pomodoro session I play with my language learning app. I've downloaded the data from Mozilla Common Voice for German. I'm using spaced repetition, Pomodoro technique to learn the language through what? I guess pure transcription or mass transcription. And in a few months, I'm aiming to raise my level meaningfully. We'll see how high it gets and check back in this channel if you're curious. I would guess right now, maybe I'm A2, maybe B1, but we're aiming for C, let's just say C1, not C2. C1 and the moon beyond. Wiedersehen. But one final note, making these sessions, or excuse me, making these videos about the application as a possible business venture or shared project to any other student of language learning who knows computer science or programming, maybe making these videos is a waste of time and I should just do more sessions and then report back in when the results are here. Why not? I have higher confidence the hypothesis is right, so I don't need to wait that long. Number one. Number two, I'm practicing speaking about something that I know. So maybe I can speak a bit more eloquently about this. This is pretty close to an exact science, unlike philosophy. Number three, I forgot, but now I remember. I learned Romanian through this method. But who cares if you learned Romanian at the C1 level? It's an obscure Eastern European language, even though it really helps you learn Latin, but who cares about Latin? So to rectify that marketing glitch, I am putting more effort into German now. Maybe you're curious about Spanish and French and so on. Yeah, you could write an application like this, or we could talk about sharing the code at some point if you wanted to do the same. Wiedersehen. Goodbye.